Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you will be all well in your houses. So, today I am going to teach you a topic named the preposition. Mainly, most of us we pronounce this word preposition, but this is not preposition. This is the preposition, which is very important in grammar. And first of all, we will understand the definition of this word preposition. A preposition is a word placed a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other word in a sentence. There is an example: he cut an apple with a knife. There is a relation between two words with the help of with. He cut an apple with a knife. With is here a preposition. I have given two sentences of with and by. Today I'll teach you only the uses of preposition with and by. I write with a pen. I keep healthy by exercising. Sometimes we can find the words and the sentences with the help of question, and the question is here how. If I say how you write, so your answer will be I write with a pen. With is here preposition. In the second sentence, I keep healthy. I can make the question with the help of how. If I say how you keep healthy, so your answer will be I keep healthy by exercising. Here are two examples of with and by. I hope you have understood both sentences. Now we come on the general rules. There are the general rules. First of all, I'll teach you of by. Noun. All know about the noun. Noun is the name of person, place or thing. It is used in preposition. For example, there are the some rules I have mentioned, so you can see. First is communication. Second is the transportation, movement, travel. You can use. Third one is the passive voice sentences and refers to door to indicate closeness. Next is the according to. These are the rules of by. You must practice them again and again, and you must learn them. There are the examples given by me. You can see. First example for you: I'll go dash bus. This is the example of transportation. I'll go. I'll go dash bus. By is here preposition because it is a movement. Because you are going to from one place to another place by bus. Second example: I will contact you dash email. This is the example of communication because communication is a device, and you can see I'll contact you dash email. I can I'll contact you by email. Next is the example of closeness. Can I sit by you? Many times we can say, can I sit beside you? But whenever very closeness, you will see and you will say, can I sit by you? There is another example, acrona. Acrona must be killed by Indians. This is the passive voice sentence. You know very well, corona is a pandemic which has spread in all over the world. So it must be killed by Indians. We all know about that because India is a great country. Another example for you: what is the time by your watch? This is according to many students and many persons. They ask, what is the time in your watch? No, it is wrong, because you have to say according to what's the time, what is the time by your watch. So these are the examples of by. You must learn them and practice. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask on the WhatsApp group. I'll try to solve your problem. Okay? And the next use of the with now comes on with. Again, I say you the definition of noun, pronoun. Do you know noun, person, place, thing? I need not again and again the definition of noun. After preposition, you know very well it is the role and it is the uses of noun and the pronoun. So comes on the general truth, general rules, body parts. You can see the body parts. We all have body parts. So every day we use them. And second is the tools, instrument, possessing something. Some examples I have. I point dash my finger. If I say I point dash my finger. If I make the question with how. If I ask you question, how you point? How you point? Tell me. So you will say, I point with my finger. It is the example of body parts. Second example, I ate dinner. I ate dinner with fork. How you ate dinner? How you ate dinner? So you will use with. And another example, I ordered a sandwich. It's the favorite of every student. So I ordered a sandwich dash drinks. This is the possessing. Whenever you give the order to a servant, then you say, I order a sandwich with drinks. This is the possessing. And another example, you can use, I smile with my teeth. I run with my legs. These are the examples. So I hope you all have understood. Dear students, if you will practice in your life, then you can understand. And one thing, sometimes whenever I see, if I give you example, if I keep healthy dash exercising, sometimes we use it because this is not the noun, this is the verb here. This is the verb here. So in some sentences, whenever we see that, and after the blank there is an the verb, so and we will use by. But according to the rules, we can fill them. We must follow the rules and practice, and there are the sentences, more sentences in your grammar book. Practice them and watch this video again and again. Thank you so much for listening me. I hope you have understood all this. Thanks a lot.